Hi, welcome to our series on how to use our website. This is Andrew from PineRidge Ford here. Many of you noticed that we have a What's My Payment button on our screen here, and I'm just going to use this 2020 Fusion as an example. It's on all of our new and used inventory, so if you click on it, it takes you to this. It's called Autofi, and what this does is it gives you a chance to manipulate your payments, see what it would look like if you put different dollar values down. One of the things we want to show you is how to get past one of the things that we run into in our area, and that's our address. Because many people have postal boxes, they require a different way to get through it to continue on through the form. So let me show you how that works. So go here, and if you just write in P.O. Box 31 Meadow Lake, Saskatchewan, it won't let you save or say your tax exempt or any of that. Well, I mean, you can do the tax exempt, but you can't say save. So the way to get around that is you need to put any character between the parts of the P.O. box. So you click that, that then allows you to do this, and it puts your taxes. It takes away your taxes if needed. So if you're in Alberta, it'll do that. So I'm going to do that again, but this time I'm going to say I'm tax-free, or I'm not tax-free. Oops. And it puts your taxes actually in. So you can do the same thing when you apply for financing. Whenever you have to put a postal box into your address, and that gives you that opportunity to do that. So hope that helps everybody as they're trying to use our website to apply for financing using our Autofi financing option. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.